In the field of architecture, elevations and floor plans reflects the appearance, layout, and compositional relationship of the architecture. It is a key aspect in determining the planning and structure of the architecture. By scanning the architecture with the 4D Kanken series laser scanner, based on the high precision and multicolor point cloud, we can quickly get the orthographic projection of the scanned object in the software, and with the scale, we can intuitively preview the structure of the architecture. This can provide architects with reference before formal drawing, thus significantly reducing the time cost of drawing. In the scene, find the location where you wish to view the plan floor and elevation and click Download Crop Point Cloud. In this feature, the angle of the architecture can be viewed from different viewpoints, and if there is a point cloud that you don't want to show, you can drag the crop box to hide that part. The angle can also be fine-tuned in the right-hand function box. Once the adjustments are complete, click Facade, and make sure that the elevation is at the correct angle. Click on the Download Survey Drawings in the lower right corner to quickly get the orthophoto image in PNG format. Similarly, if you wish to view the floor plan of an architecture, you can also freely adjust the point cloud to preview it. Take the elevation drawing as an example. If there is a further need to draw out a more complete elevation plan, it also supports importing the picture into the relevant drawing software for editing and planar depiction based on the structure of the picture. When drawing, it is also possible to compare the 16K panoramas generated by the laser scanner, which can improve drawing efficiency and accuracy. These drawings play a pivotal role in guiding the construction of the new projects and renovation of the existing projects, enhancing communication, and aiding decision-making among architects, designers, clients, and constructors.